Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install Python 3.10.2 on Windows 10. With that we will also see simple program. So let's begin. At first, go to the browser. I am using Brave. You can use any browser. Browser here in Google, type Python and press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible python.org. Click on it. On clicking, you can see the official website. When you will keep the mouse cursor on downloads, the recent version will be visible. So we want to Windows. So I will click on this is the current version Python 3.10.2. Click on it. On taking the download started, it's only 26 MB. You need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, you can see the exe file. Download now. I will double click on it to install. Minimize this. Now here you can see the setup started. At first, see the program 3.10 path. So we can straightaway click on install now, but I will go to customize. Installation, click on it. On clicking can you see will install documentation pip as well ideally. So pip is basically used install another program. Package ideally is an ID to run Python program. So we'll see the example of Python is ideally as well. After installing rest keep as is the click on next. Here you can see advanced option. You can click the install for all user. After clicking, you can see the path has been set up under program file or Python will be get saved here. If you want to change the location, you can click on mouse, but I will keep as it is. Click on install. Now the setup started. So guys, you can see the setup is successfully. Click on close. Now go to start. Type cmd. Click on open to open the command prompt here, and now the will type a command to verify the you have successfully installed Python or not. Type Python space hyphen version and press enter. Here you can see we have successfully installed Python 3.10.2. Now let's us type py and press enter. Here is you can see you can directly run our program here. I am just printing something for you. Example. Now press enter. Your print is successfully, but I would rather prefer ideally or any ID. So we also install ideally frame member. So just type ideally, and here you can see the install the Python ideally, which is the ID only integrated development environment. So you can easily run the Python programs. Click on open. Here it is guys. Instead I run the similar way. So I am printing something, let's say with things first program. Semicolon and press enter, so wherein you can see the successfully printing it. So guys, in this video we saw how can easily download and install Python current version pip. Ideally, we also saw simple Python programs. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you like it, so subscribe our channel.